Saving money for a house requires strategic approach. First, set a clear goal by determining how much you need for a down payment and establishing a timeline for when you want to buy. This provides a concrete target to work towards. Now, creating a budget is essential. Track your income and expenses to identify areas where you can cut back, such as dining out or subscriptions, and allocate those savings to your house fund. Opening a dedicated savings account can also be beneficial. Consider a high yield savings account specifically for this purpose, which keeps your funds separate and may earn more interest. All right, in most cases it does. Now, automating your savings is another effective strategy. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account each month, treating it like a bill to ensure consistency. Additionally, look for ways to increase your income, whether by a side job or freelance work or selling unused items, and direct any extra earnings into your savings account. All right? Now, research first-time home buyers programs, okay? Grants also, or assistance options that are available in your area. And these can provide significant help with down payments. Lastly, you got to evaluate your spending habits and cut unnecessary expenses. Use public transportation, cooking at home, limiting entertainment. Those costs can be a substantial difference in your life for how much you can grow. This is like the basics. If you're not doing this, you should start.